The perfect buttermilk coffee cake. Easy and delicious recipe for beginners. Hey, foodies, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a real treat in store for you. We'll be making a mouthwatering buttermilk coffee cake that will surely become your new favorite. It's moist, fluffy, and loaded with a delightful streusel topping. But before we dive into the recipe, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so you never miss out on our delicious recipes. So, grab your aprons and let's get baking. Ingredients. For the cake: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened, 1 cup granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup buttermilk. For the streusel topping: 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 cup unsalted butter, melted. For the glaze: 1 cup powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons milk, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and grease a 9-inch round baking pan. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Set aside. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Add the eggs, one at a time, beating well after each addition. Stir in the vanilla extract. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the butter mixture, alternating with the buttermilk. Begin and end with the dry ingredients, mixing just until combined after each addition. Pour the batter into the greased baking pan, spreading it evenly. In a separate bowl, prepare the streusel topping by combining the flour, brown sugar, and ground cinnamon. Stir in the melted butter until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Sprinkle the streusel evenly over the cake batter. Bake the coffee cake in the preheated oven for 35 to 40 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. While the cake is baking, prepare the glaze by whisking together the powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla extract until smooth. Adjust the consistency by adding more milk or powdered sugar if needed. Once the cake is done, remove it from the oven and let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. Then, transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. Drizzle the glaze over the cooled coffee cake, allowing it to run down the sides. Slice and serve the buttermilk coffee cake, and enjoy. And there you have it, our irresistible buttermilk coffee cake. I hope you enjoyed following along with this recipe as much as I enjoyed making it. Don't forget to give this recipe a thumbs up if you liked it and let me know in the comments below if you give it a try. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you want to see more delectable recipes like this one, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Free ebook. Starbucks Coarse Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.